I'm just hanging out at home and I had a craving for a pumpkin spice latte. I thought I would just play around in the kitchen a little bit this afternoon and create my own at home. If you'd like to see how I do that so that you can make one at home as well, then just keep watching. While my coffee is brewing, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of milk to the boiler on my stovetop. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. Next, I'll be adding the cinnamon sticks. I actually added 3, but that was way too much, so make sure you only add 1 or 2. And finish everything off with just a sprinkle of pumpkin pie spice. Now it's time to add the coffee, and then of course some sugar to taste. I started with 4 teaspoons, which was not enough, so I would say go ahead and just add 2 or 3 tablespoons, but just add whatever you prefer. Number 2, we're going to be making my version of a cinnamon dolce latte. Rather than doing it on the stovetop, I'm going to make things even easier and make the entire thing in the microwave. I have my coffee pot all set up and ready to brew. So I'm going to do the coffee in my regular coffee maker, but all the yummy cinnamon dolce flavor is going to be done right in the microwave. So I'm going to go ahead and combine all of my ingredients right in my measuring cup. I'm going to use 1 cinnamon stick, a tablespoon of light brown sugar, I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of my vanilla extract, just a little sprinkle of ground nutmeg, I'm going to stir this until it's combined thoroughly. Then I'm going to place this entire cup into the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So that is good and hot. Wow, that cinnamon stick is hot. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pour my coffee into my mug. Cinnamon dolce latte ready to enjoy. And now for the taste test. That is really, really good. So good. So there you have a homemade cinnamon dolce latte, as easy as can be, in the comfort of your own home, just by using your microwave. Spiced apple cider has to be my 3rd favorite drink for the fall. This apple cider contains cinnamon, orange, and clove. There is a recipe on the back to turn this into hot mulled cider. You just add 8 cups of this. So you just add 1 bottle of the spiced apple cider, 4 cups of cranberry juice, and then you thinly slice oranges, lemons, and put some cinnamon sticks on top. You just heat that in a large pan or in a crock pot until it's hot. But honestly, to me, something quick and easy. Just go ahead and pour this right into your cup. It smells fantastic. It smells like fall in a cup. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 90 seconds. And there you have it, spiced apple cider right from the microwave, poured straight from your container into your mug, and your delicious fall drink is served. So good. Seriously, just like fall in a cup. So there you have my 3 favorite drinks to enjoy in the fall. I hope you enjoyed seeing how you can make 3 delicious fall drinks right in your own home. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which drink you think you want to try first. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye-bye.